Welcome back. Happy Sunday and happy spring. Today is the first day of spring. See me looking like spring in my yellow. Today I'm gonna cook for you some jerk chicken, and these are my ingredients. I already seasoned my chicken from last night because I want it to soak to the bone. And this is what I use. This is the powder jerk seasoning. I bring this from Jamaica. It have all the pimento seeds, scotch bonnet pepper, thyme, everything is in this. Also this is the wet sauce. So I use both of them. I use the wet and the dry. But if you don't have the dry, you can use the wet. And the ingredients are on it. You will see. So I washed my chicken last night with vinegar, and then I season it with both of these seasoning. So I'm gonna put it in the oven at 425, and then I'm gonna bring it down to 400. Let's get started. I put them on a rack, skin down, so we can get a little crisp on the skin. The skin not too saggy. Make sure the skin is on. Here we go. It's 425. Close it. We're gonna let it go like for 45 minutes, and then look at it. Turn it over and let it brown on the other side. See you right back. Okay, we're gonna get this chicken out the oven and turn them, let they get some color on the other side. Put it sideways, yummy. Smell that thing. Woo. I'm gonna just turn them over to get some color. Okay, let's put them back in the oven to get brown on the top. Okay, and we're gonna do some stir-fry cabbage, and we're gonna make some rice. On?
Yeah.
Yes. This is our. Come on, show them it.
Nice.
Yeah, that's our Jamaican jerk chicken. Yeah. So, thanks for coming into my home. I see you on the next video. Thank you. God bless. Bye.